Okay, here's our third example. You deposit $5,000 into an account that pays 9% annual interest compounded monthly. So let's decide whether this is exponential growth or exponential decay. So first of all, it pays 9%, so your money will be increasing, so you know it is exponential growth. And then if you look at the words, it has this word compounded monthly on it. So you know you have to use your compound interest equation. So let's write that equation again. A equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to the NT. You don't need to declare your variables because we declared them when we set this up originally. And let's now plug in what we know. Well, $4,000 was the amount that they originally invested. And the rate is 9%, so that'd be 0.09. N is compounded monthly, so there are 12 months in a year, so your N would be 12. And you'll raise that then to the 12 times T. So there is your model. Part B says, how much money will there be in the account after 5 years? So they're saying, when T is 5, what is A? So once again, let's just plug this into the equation. A equals 4,000. 1 plus 0.09 divided by 12 raised to the 12 times 5. This is something that we can just go ahead and put into our calculator now. So we have 4,000 times 1 plus 0.09 divided by 12. And we'll raise that to 60, which is 12 times 5. And you see then the amount of money that you would have is $6,262.72. All right, $6,262.72. Right, part C. You need $5,000 to go on vacation in 2 years. How much money do you need to invest today to have enough money for this vacation? Well, let's see what variables they've given us. You need 5,000, so that's your ending amount. So your A value is 5,000. In 2 years, so your time would be 2 years. Your rate is still going to be the same that they originally gave you, so the rate would be 0.09. How much money do you need to invest in order to have enough money? So now they're asking you, what is P? And we're going to assume that it's still compounded monthly, so your N is still going to be 12. So let's go ahead and set up this equation. 5,000 equals P, I don't know, 1 plus 0.09 divided by 12 raised to the 12 times 2. So remember, this stuff right here is really just a number. So if I figured out what this number was, I could just divide both sides by that equation and I would have P alone. So let's go ahead and get a number for that in our calculator. So I have 1 plus, I have to put parentheses around the whole thing. 1 plus 0.09 divided by 12. And I need to raise that all to the 24, 12 times 2. So now I have 1.196 if I round that. So now my equation becomes 5,000 equals P times 1.196. So now I just have to divide both sides of this equation by 1.96 to get P alone. I'm going to actually do that in my calculator, so I don't have to round this number because it's already in my calculator. So if I just go 5,000, I can say divided by, if I go to second, then this minus sign, it'll give me the answer. So I'll have all those decimal places. Whoops, I didn't put 5,000. Let me try that again. 5,000. No, I put too many. Divided by the answer will equal. So I need to have $4,197.16 in my account in order to end up with $5,000 at the very end. If you have any questions, let me know.